Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can optimize your funnel pages, not just for desktop view, but also for mobile view. Most of the times when you are designing your funnel, you are designing it for desktop view. This is how it's going to look like when you're designing your funnel in System.io. However, most people miss that some people, they're viewing your pages in their mobile phones. They're not always with the laptops on hand so that they can check your funnel on their laptop. Most of the times they're just using their cell phone. And if your funnel is not optimized for mobile view, then you may lose customers, right? Lose them because your funnel pages are not pretty or pleasant to look at. And therefore, it's very important that whenever you build your funnel, you also keep in mind that mobile view is also very important. So I'm going to show you how you can optimize your funnel pages for mobile view as well. Let's say this is my funnel page where I'm sharing about my success with System.io membership. And this page here, it is optimized for desktop view. Now, if I click here on mobile, this is how my page is going to look like on a mobile device. Now, for me, I feel like the text is a little bit smaller on mobile device, but if I look on desktop view, it looks perfect. So there will always be some design aspects in your funnel pages where one element looks nice in desktop view, but it does not look nice on mobile view. So you will have to change that for mobile view. So how do you do that? Okay, so what you need to do is you need to duplicate each section. I recommend duplicating sections. That will make it easier for you to make changes with all the elements that are inside that section. Okay, so you're going to duplicate this and then click on the section here and then scroll at the very bottom. Now, I'm going to leave one section for desktop and the other section for mobile. So let's say this first section, I want to leave it for desktop only. And then the other element here, the other section that we just duplicated, I'm going to leave it for mobile view only. So scroll down and you move desktop. This way, when you click on mobile view, you will see this section now will only be seen for mobile. So now you can make changes and it will not reflect on this section here. If you make any changes here, it will not reflect on the mobile view here because there are two sections that are separated and there's one section for each device, if that makes sense. Okay, so now let's say I want to increase the size of this text without it reflecting on the desktop device. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to increase the size here of the text. I'm going to increase the size of this as well, and this section as well. All right. Okay, there we go. And then let's see other sections here. So the image looks perfect in the desktop view. Let's see in the mobile view. All right, so the image looks good as well. So I'm going to leave this. Now the text here, I think I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, but let's check on the desktop view. All right, so it looks nice on the desktop view. I don't want to make any changes here, but I want to make changes to this text here. So what you're going to do again is you're going to go back to your desktop and you are going to duplicate this section here. And once again, you're going to follow the same steps. This section, you're going to leave it for desktop view. So you're going to untick mobile, and then this duplicated section, we are going to leave it for mobile only. So now when you click on mobile view, here it is. Now you can start doing edits here and it will not reflect the desktop view. So this is the most easiest way for you to optimize your pages for desktop and for mobile view. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below.